Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to find the mounting holes on a TLC 55 4K TV. It's a little confusing. It doesn't really tell you in the instructions, but what you're gonna want to do is take off this screw. It has a little arrow in it. I was kind of thinking that might not be it, but you gotta take that one off. There's an empty hole without a screw. That one is for the mount too. So you got 1, 2, and then 3. That one has a screw again. And 4, and that's it. I was kind of confused because the manual doesn't really help, but if you use those 4 screws, just let me come back. I'm gonna remove that screw so I can show you, and then I'll be right back. And there it goes. That's the top hole. That's what you're gonna see when it comes out. It even has an arrow on it, I guess, to let you know. But this is the screw that came out. It's just a little tiny one. I guess I don't know why they just want to keep the hole covered up, but yeah, that's where the mounting holes are at. Alright YouTube, if you guys like my video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get 1,000 followers. Thank you guys, and you guys have a good day.